Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever geography you are in. Welcome to Extra Marks, and we welcome all the vice chancellors, deans, directors from the higher education segment. We are thankful to all of you. And our chair today is Madam Poonam Jamwal. She is the Chief Business Officer of Extra Marks, who is a pioneer in EdTech in our country for schools. And she has taken extra marks to thousands of schools in India and abroad. Thank you so much, ma'am. And our guests today are, we have Dr. Uma Bhardwaj. She is the Vice Chancellor of Noida International University, Noida. Ma'am, welcome. And we have Dr. Lalit Kumar from Galgotia University. He's the Associate Dean and he has taken up his department in a big way. We have Mr. Sujit from Symbiosis College, synonym to pioneering higher education in India from Pune. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And we have with us Mr. Kumar Rajesh, who has a he's a very distinguished person from this industry. He had worked with industries also, and he has then come to educational institutes for sharing his experiences with the youngsters. He is from the StarX University, Gurugram, and we have a very multi-skilled, talented person with us, Dr. Ashutosh Mishra. He's a CA, he's a lawyer, he's a management guru, he's a company secretary as well, and he is director at Hiring Business School, Noida. And without much ado, I will request our chair, Ms. Poonam Jamwal, to take this round table ahead. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is topmost in everybody's mind because there is something called a digital revolution, and suddenly it becomes like old digital revolution and the new digital revolution. Right. And that is a natural evolution of any change that happens. And it begins with a wish, then transfers into use, and then turns into vision. And we have been serving schools for the last 2 decades, but in the last 5 years, we have developed very robust delivery and assessment platforms for the schools and colleges and universities, because end of the day, the purpose of digital learning is not delivery. It is to be able to put best minds, best practices on a single platform and then share those best practices across. And that is the fastest way of multiplying quality and quality education access. So my first step is our definition of digital learning currently has absolutely changed. And you know it best because today the digital world is everywhere around us.